in the 70s, in the 80s,
Yeah.
Radio Fiji used to have what they call listeners' favorites.
Gori.
Listeners' favorites, though, I can announce I can remember was Jerry Jeremiah.
Oh, Jerry Jeremiah. Oh,
They used to play all hits, and people used to write in. They write in, they request their songs. Not like now, you just send an email.
right.
They actually write. And we get the letters, we open the letters, and we play the song.
Yeah.
And all those old songs those days, Jim Reeves, Linda Ronstadt, all these old singers, those days used to frequent, just to give it a modern feel.
This one,
Yeah.
We tried on D flat to
B flat.
your hometown.
Your hometown looks the same as I step down from that train. Iya, sabi na.
Isa to song.
The old hometown looks the same as I step down from that train. And there to meet me was my mama and papa. Down the road I look, and there runs Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. The old house is still standing, though the paint is cracked and dry. And there's that old oak tree that I used to play on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hair of gold and lips like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms reaching, smiling sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home.
And then I awake and looked around me at four gray walls that surround me. And I realized, yes, I was only dreaming. For there's a God and there's a sad old padre. On and on, we'll walk to daybreak. Again I'll touch the green grass of home.
Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they lay me neath the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to see me in the shade of that old oak tree as they